everybody, welcome to Dryer Days Art Studio. I'm Catherine. Thank you so much for being here. Well, I teamed up with my sister. We did another Instagram live on Saturday night. We decided to try the Chameleon cells technique. Neither of us had tried this before, and we are using all Pebeo products. They do have a really nice pouring medium, and their paints are wonderful. And so we chose a few colors each. This is my sister's right here. I think hers turned out a lot nicer than mine. Mine kind of moved all over the place, but this was our first attempt. I'm going to be showing you the previously recorded live that we did. So I will jump in to leave a couple comments, maybe put some captions on. So I hope you all enjoy the video, and let's get going. I actually received a very nice package from Pebeo, and I got some pouring medium from them. I got some beautiful acrylic colors, and I got some silicone. And right now I feel all the rage is the Chameleon cells. So we're gonna try this Chameleon cell thing, and it might be pure comedy, it might be beautiful, I have no idea. But I'm also recording it above to make a YouTube video, so if anybody wants to watch it back, or people who didn't catch the live can see it on YouTube. So we just real quick today, using all Pebeo, we have our colors already mixed with their pouring medium, and we have their silicone here. Carrie, that I'm just gonna put, cause she had it like right to the side and they were just dipping it. So, all right, well I'm gonna turn the camera. So as you can see here, we already have the colors mixed up. Once again, we are using Pebeo. This is what the pouring medium came into. I did pour it into a separate container, so that's why it's empty. But this is what we will be using. We mix them with the Pebeo Studio acrylics. They're high viscosity. I am going to be using, I picked out 4 colors. This is kind of like a gold copper metallic and a green. Now I'm not using any opaque colors, so this might be interesting. We'll see how it goes. They sent me a nice big white, so of course we mixed up white. And this is a beautiful violet. I hope you guys can see okay. Does it look okay?
Yeah, I think you can see both.
And Carrie, I think I'm just gonna take it and pour a little bit.
Okay.
So like once again, we just watched videos like real quick on this, didn't we?
Yes. Just a crash course.
Right. So I have a Facebook group called Dryer Days Art Studio Fluid. Resin and Fluid Art Group. Dryer Days Art Studio Resin and Fluid Art Group. Okay, that's what it is. And all these people were pouring these Chameleon cells, and I'm super nervous right now. I am really procrastinating because I'm really nervous. Are you nervous?
We can do this.
We can do it.
Okay.
Here is the squirt bottle of white.
Okay.
Okay. So we saw kind of 2 different techniques of this, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think we're gonna do the one where she like dipped the comb and then went around, right?
Yeah.
So she had the white and she swiped it.
And swiped it. Okay.
Okay.
So we had to make like rings of the
rings
colors.
Rings of the colors. So we've kind of put out here how we want to lay our colors in, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with this coppery. And Carrie, I don't think she used the entire thing. Remember, like she kind of came in, and I'm gonna try to find out who we watched, and I will comment about it in the YouTube video.
Yeah.
And link it. Yeah, because we watched a couple, but the one whose technique we're using, I will share that on the YouTube video. If you guys didn't know, I did open an online store, www.dryerdaysartstudio.com, and I am now the newest US stockist for Just For You Online UK glitter. I have free domestic shipping that's within the United States until August 18th, so definitely get over there if you want anything. I'm recording it right now, but I wanted to go live as well. Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
It's okay.
This green, I don't know. This is green. All right, well, it's Chameleon, right?
Yep.
Ooh, Carrie, yours looks pretty.
Ah, I didn't mean to get it in the middle.
That's okay. You can add some more on top. Delivered to Australia, but there is an Australian stockist for Just For You Online UK. So if you go to Just For You Online UK's website, they have the stockist information there, and you can find who you can contact there in Australia to get yourself some of their glitters. You know, I even told my sister, let's make some more.
I'm glad
because
we did.
I don't want us to not have enough, and I'm glad we did too, but I still don't even know if this is going to be enough. I feel like I just don't know.
I kind of went a little blobby out there.
I know. Do it. You do it and I'll start swiping. Okay?
Yeah. Because then we're going to have to swipe
Both
here.
use that.
Okay. So
I gotta.
she's using a spatula.
Some.
Yeah. And she's going to like swipe up this white that she just put down at the bottom.
Okay.
You got this.
Oh God, I'm not even touching it.
It's like icing cake. Yeah. actually once
How'd it
you
go?
do it.
How'd it
go? I held my breath, I think,
Yeah.
the whole time.
You did great.
But once you're doing it, you're doing it.
Yeah.
Oh, look how cool it looks already.
Yeah, the cells, the chameleon. Oops, okay, try to remember to wipe your comb off in between, because see, I'm like,
Yeah.
I can put more silicone in here too. There she goes.
See, wait, how should I, since my comb is shorter,
Do whatever you want. You could do a different pattern than like I'm doing.
I don't know what kind of pattern to do though.
I don't really know either. I'm
Yeah.
just sort of.
I'll just do it the way we learned. Just go with what we learned.
Wipe it. Ooh. Carrie's gonna have real tighter cells. Wow, Carrie, that's perfect. You're a natural.
Oh, thanks.
For my first try, I definitely like it. It's a really cool technique.
Yeah, I like it.
Might do like a different, I don't know. I like it.
Oh, see, even like, you can see these two are the ones I did with the wider tooth comb. And these were the ones I was doing with the smaller one. You can see even how it makes like a different texture.
look. So I'm gonna come in with your comb. Why?
Because my thing is uneven.
Oh, it's uneven? But it is giving a different texture though.
Yeah.
Can you
But I was
help
wondering
me?
why they were like moving so much.
I'm gonna try her comb on just like a little spot, see what it does. And see, as your paint is flowing too, like it's really kind of coming out. Alright, what do you guys think? I'm hoping these don't move around too much. Mine's already kind of going off there, but thank you all so much for jumping in. Remember, this will be up on my YouTube channel this week, probably Thursday. Thank you all so much for jumping in, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Well, my sister and I hope you enjoyed this video. We had a fun time doing this chameleon technique. I definitely want to try it again, maybe using it, the silicone, in a little bit of a different way. So come check out my new store, www.dryerdaysartstudio.com. I am having free shipping domestically over there until August 18th. I have a ton of glitter that I want to share with you all. Thank you again so much for your support. And until next time, everybody, keep on pouring.